Hey guys, in this video I just want to quickly show you how to replace an ink maintenance box, also called ink waste. It is located on the back of the printer. This is a Canon PIXMA G3270, a mega tank printer. So if we go to the back of our printer, this is the maintenance box located over here, right behind this panel. To remove this screw right here, we're going to need either a Phillips head screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver. Very unique screw. Then you can remove this panel right here. And this is where the maintenance box is. You can see that it collects ink in there. This is the model number that you need when you need to buy a new one. They should not be very expensive. It's probably best to just replace it rather than cleaning it. It's very straightforward. We have an arrow right here. Not sure, yeah, you can see it. With this side up, it's not going to go in any other way. So you're just going to remove the packaging. And you just put a new one in there. Put the cover back. So you're going to put it into the right side and then snap it in like this here and put the screw back in. It is very good that Canon has made this adjustment to their printers, especially the mega tank printers. That allows for the printer to operate for a very long time, considering that these printers are built to print a lot of pages for you. So that's how you do it. That's how you replace the maintenance box on Canon PIXMA G3270 Mega Tank printer. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and have yourself a great day.